Welcome to the beginner portion of the $11.99 SEIU Funds Yoga Pilates workout. My name is Foluke Arthurton, and I'm your Funds fitness coach here to help you attain your fitness goals. Let's get started. Today, I'll be sharing some simple exercises that you can do just by using your $11.99 SEIU Funds resistance band. All it takes is about 15 to 20 minutes to gain strength and flexibility in your body. And the best part is, there's no gym required. Today's program will be a fusion of Pilates and yoga. We'll be focusing on the core muscles. That's all the muscles in the front of the body and all the muscles in the back of the body, including the glutes. Let's start with our first exercise, ab press. Let's start by taking our $11.99 SEIU Funds resistance band and folding it in half. Position yourself properly on the mat, feet flat, knees bent. Then take the folded band to the back of the skull. Now lay down on your mat. With this movement, we'll be doing this movement 10 times. We're going to inhale, relax the head and shoulders on the mat. Exhale, draw the head and shoulders up into a crunch. Good. And 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure that your head is relaxed and you're not taking any pressure in the back of your neck. Last one, and hold. Good. Our second movement will be lotus. Let's start by laying our $11.99 SEIU Funds resistance band on the mat. Next, we're going to lie down, pelvis on your resistance band, grab each end of the resistance band, and extend the arms behind you and down onto the mat. We'll be doing this movement twice. So we're going to inhale to hold, exhale, lift your head, neck, shoulders, and arms off the mat, squeezing the back muscles, and we release. Inhale down, exhale up. And rest. Our third beginner exercise will be push-ups. Let's start by taking our $11.99 SEIU Funds resistance band around our back. Pull the band under your armpit. Gently bending your hips, and now flatten your hips. Make sure that your fingertips are webbed out and your palm, elbows, and wrists are stacked one on top of the other. Walk the arms directly under your shoulders. In this movement, we'll be doing it 6 times. Squeezing your glutes, tight abs, inhaling to prepare. Exhale, come down. Inhale up, and exhale down. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Our fourth beginner exercise will be spinal balance. Let's start by taking our $11.99 SEIU Funds resistance band around our back. We're going to move the band upper part of our rib cage, flexing the hips, palms, wrists, elbows, and shoulders stacked one on top of the other. We're going to inhale, extend the right leg off your mat, keeping it at the same height as your hip, rib cage, and shoulders. Now lift your left arm forward, bisecting your left ear. Inhale, we hold, and exhale, down. With this movement, we're going to be doing it 4 times, twice on each side. Other side, reach, lift, and down. 3, lift, reach, stretch, kicking through our glutes, hamstrings, and calves. Down, and reach. Down. Last time, reach, kick strong, chest up, and release. Our fifth beginner exercise will be the 100s. Let's start by taking our $11.99 SEIU Funds resistance band and wrapping it around the balls of our feet. Flexing the ankle, secure the band around the balls of our feet. Give a gentle tug to each side of the band to assure that you have even resistance on both arms. Coming down onto the mat, backs of the mat. Inhale and exhale to curl up and hold. In this movement, we're going to do 10 cycles of 5 inhalations through our nose and exhalations through our mouths. And we start pulsing the arms. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale, focusing on the abs. Inhaling through our nose and exhaling through our mouths. Concentrating the chin to the chest, pressing the navel to the spine. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Last cycle. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And rest. Our sixth beginner exercise will be boat pose. Let's start by taking our $11.99 SEIU Funds resistance band around our thighs. Gather each end of the band to the center of our bodies. Hold the band with both hands. Keep a long spine and lean our spines back into a diagonal. Shoulders back, chest up. We're going to be holding this position for about 5 seconds. Inhaling through our nose and exhaling through our mouths, really concentrating on tightening our abs. Inhale and exhale. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Our seventh beginner exercise will be gentle spinal twist. Let's start by taking our $11.99 SEIU Funds resistance band to the floor. We're going to roll down onto our mats, extend the arms up to the sky, rotate, reach the right arm over to the left knee, inhale and exhale. Twist both knees to the right side of the mat, looking over your left shoulder. In this movement, we'll be doing it 4 times, twice on each side. Inhaling, coming to center. Exhale, spinal twist over to the left side of the mat, looking over our right shoulder. This is 2, really focusing on stretching out our lower backs. Coming back into center. And this is 3 of 4, looking over our left shoulder, keeping that right hand anchored onto our left thigh. Last time. Coming back into center, rotate, twisting the lower body, now the upper body for 4. Good. And we rest. Coming up to seated. Our 8th beginner exercise will be bent knee roll-ups. Let's start by taking our $11.99 SEIU Funds resistance band and wrapping it around our thighs. Grab each end to the center of our bodies using both palms. So we're going to inhale to start, and as we exhale, we're going to rock off our tailbone and our sits bones, flexing through the spine to lay the back, shoulders, neck, head onto the ground. Inhale to hold, and exhale, we curl up. We'll be doing this movement 5 times. Inhale, exhale down, 2, and up. Trying to keep our feet on the ground. Exhale for 3, And inhale, zip those inner thighs. Good. And down for 4. Inhale. Last time. For 5. And inhale. Rest. Our 9th beginner exercise will be scissors. Let's start by taking our $11.99 SEIU Funds resistance band around our thighs. Lay down onto the mat, resting our head, neck, and shoulders. Draw each end of the band to the center of our body. We're going to inhale, lift the right leg into the air, and exhale, switch it for the left. Inhale, and exhale. We're going to be doing this movement 6 times. So inhale for 3, exhale, switch. Connecting your lower back to the mat. Exhale, 4. Exhale, 5. Exhale, 6. And rest. Our 10th and final movement will be side bends. Let's start by taking our $11.99 SEIU Funds resistance band into either arm and extending it above our heads. We're going to inhale and exhale, tilt to your sides, pulling the band down to your mats, and we stretch. Really getting a good stretch. Inhale and exhale, pull the band, tilt gently over. And this is 3. Exhale, relaxing the shoulders, get a nice stretch in the arms and the side. Last one, and 4. Coming back to center. Thank you for participating in the beginner portion of the $11.99 SEIU Funds Yoga Pilates workout. Namaste.